Well, guys, quick little story here. Wrecked my motorcycle last night. There it is. Pretty bad shape. I wrecked it last night and left it there, and it got impounded. So I just got it from the impound lot. Now I'm going over the damage. Well, doesn't look too bad on this side. Well, this side, the doozy. Looks like this thing got bent. Grass stains. Fender scratch. Hanging headlight. Let's see if it'll start. Looks like I got a little blood here. Little blood there. Blood on the handle. What a bloody mess. Jesus. We'll turn it on. See if it'll crank. No, the lights come on. Horns work. Blinkers work. It just won't start. Isn't that a bee? Well, guys, in this situation, if I could give you any words of advice, try to be careful when you're riding motorcycles. It was late at night. I was trying to miss some deers. I ended up going off the road and into the woods. So, y'all guys out there in YouTube world, please be careful when you're riding motorcycles. Could have been a lot worse. I thank God I'm still here over this. Motorcycle is just a thing. Your life is precious. Alright? Remember, guys, like I always say, like, share, subscribe. Staying alive, staying alive. Like, share, subscribe. Staying alive. Peace out, YouTube.